First of all, we have a retreat for charter members on July the 1st and 2nd. Now, I would like to congratulate Team Teen Devya, Akila and Padma and Vijay. They've just concluded an agreement with TSM School of Management at Madurai for setting up an entrepreneur incubation center out there. Perhaps, let's give them a big hand.
So good evening all of you. I'm the person who's always briefing our members, so I just thought I'll invite Padma or Vijay to brief about this. So we are going to get into an agreement, and actually we are going to sign an MOU very soon with Tyagaraja School of Management, Madurai, to set up an entrepreneurship development center for them, and maybe subsequently an incubation cell. And we are going to execute this in 3 phases in terms of even training the faculty members, identifying the entrepreneurial interest of the students, and suggesting what needs to be done. And as always, I will give you all a call to make sure that all of you support us in taking this initiative to the next level. Thank you.
Next is CAMS has agreed to partner with TiE Chennai in SIG for FinTech. I think Prasad is here of CAMS, and we look forward to a mutually beneficial collaboration. Where's Prasad? Yeah. Would you like to say something about it, Prasad?
Ecosystem is opening up, especially with what is known as the JAM Trinity. And the inclusion is on everybody's agenda. We thought that it will be a good opportunity for us to leverage our association with TiE Chennai to reach out to potential entrepreneurs who could be potentially having ideas of leveraging the opportunity of the billion Aadhars that exist in the country. And anything that is relevant to the financial system is something that interests us. And we look forward to some seminars and some Pitch Fest events during the course of this year. And this is being planned by my team, and we look forward to Akila and the rest of the team, Mahesh, and look forward to some positive outcome out of this. Thank you.
Thank you, Prasad. And of course, a whole lot of charter members also will be involved in that. This evening is going to be all Akila's. She's just been voted as the best ED of the Global TiE. Let's give her a big hand, and there's a small cake. Akila. Hey, Naru. Lakshmi. The evening belongs to Akila. Let's give her a big hand. And of course, the TiE Secretariat. Yeah, please.
I'll come. Well, let me start from the beginning. I would like to thank Lakshmi and Vishy first for introducing me to this wonderful world of entrepreneurship. So thanks to both of you. And of course, Naru, he's always been a pillar of support in terms of whatever initiatives TiE Chennai wants to take up. And Kannan, he's always a phone call away for me. So anything to do with any accounts, finance, whatever it is, I just pick up the phone and call. And of course, each one of you, thank you so much. And I'm going to be completing 3 years in TiE next month. And thanks to each one of you for being extremely supportive and making this journey a wonderful one. And again, I will not hesitate to pick up the phone and call any one of you if I need help. And having said all this, this operations is extremely impossible for us to run without my team at the Secretariat. So I would like to take this opportunity to introduce the cogs and wheels of TiE Chennai. Praveena, and also takes care of member relationship. Morris, where is he? Yes. He's the money man, taking care of, come here please. And Ramya, she takes care of all our EDI programs. She's the one who coordinates all our EDI, our program with Entrepreneurship Development Institute. And Pravina is supported by Lavanya. And Ramya is supported by David. And I could not have done anything without these guys and you. So thank you so much.
Well done, Akhila.
I'd like to take this opportunity to also acknowledge and request, and the manager of acknowledgement is to request JK, who was one of the stalwarts at the time the tie got started in Chennai, to please hand over this gift to Akhila. Thank you.
Individual charter member doctors to try and get some solutions for their aches, pains, preferably at the end of 15 minutes, get some prescriptions and medications for whatever is ailing their business. So it's going to be a very interesting program, and we need everybody here to volunteer to be the charter member doctors manning these polyclinics throughout the 2 days VC, or is it 1 day? Both the days. And for more detailed info on any aspect I have missed out, VC, back to VC.
Thank you very much, Sriram. Actually, one mistake is that I should have put his picture also there, along with the speakers. So Sriram is going to be curating the awards evening, and I'm extremely happy and proud to say that I have an excellent team. Really, people have come forward to do, and all that is actually speaking. I'm pretty much relaxed, and I guess they are tensed. So thanks for all the committed work.
Thank you all. The bar is open now and the dinner is served. So thanks once again to the Wealth Advisors for sponsoring this event for us. And thank you all for being here. As VC mentioned, nobody is going to even listen to me when I talk. I know that. So enjoy your dinner and your drink. Thank you.